Hey guys, welcome to M with Math. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplication. My name is Mahali. So what is multiplication, you ask me? So basically multiplication is a equation with two factors. So this is an example of an equation. So this one is a factor. This is a factor as well. So this is what it equals to. That's the product. So this is how much we have in each group, and this is how many groups we have. Okay, so today I'm going to show you two ways to do it. First way to do it is on a standard algorithm. So I have here is a example of a standard algorithm. So pretend that this stuff is not here, only 22 times 22 on that line. Okay, so we're going to start, we're going to go ahead and start, okay? So we're going to multiply 2 times 2, which equals 4. Then we're going to multiply 2 times 2 again, which equals 4. We're going to do the same thing on this side, which equals 4 again. So we have a 44. So we're going to put a 0 at the ones place over here. Always remember to do that. So we're going to multiply 2 times 2 again, which equals 4. Then we're going to multiply the other 2 times 2, which equals another 4. So 44 plus 40 is 484. The second way to do it is on an array. So array is basically a line of what's crossing and just a column. So the first way to count by it is count by twos. 2, 4, 6. The second way is to count by threes. 3, 6. The third way is to count normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is our last way. This is how you do it on a multiplication chart. So let's say my example equation this time is 3 times 3. So I go up to this 3, then I go up to this 3 in the column right here, and then in the middle of that is a 9. That's how I know it's 9. So just like that, I'm going to give you guys an equation. So the equation is going to be 10 times 10. You guys can use any method. You guys can use a multiplication chart. You guys can use the array. You guys can use and you guys can use the standard algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. Click the thumbs up button and click the subscribe button. Comment down below what I should go over next time. And remember, give me the answer for 10 times 10. Bye!